There is a version of you that exists in the darkness, the one you ignore, the one you're afraid to face. It lurks in the corners of your mind, whispering the truth you don't want to hear. You are weak, you are undisciplined, you are comfortable, and comfort is the slowest form of death. You've been lying to yourself, saying you'll change, saying you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow is a graveyard where your dreams go to die. Every wasted hour, every excuse, every time you hit snooze, you are making a choice to remain the same, to stay in the chains of your own making. You have built your own prison, and you are the one holding the key. But listen to me. There is another version of you, the one who doesn't flinch at pain, the one who doesn't break under pressure, the one who looks fear in the eye and laughs. This version of you is not born out of comfort. It is forged in suffering, built with blood, sweat, and relentless discipline. You think pain is your enemy? Pain is your teacher. It is the fire that will burn away your weakness. The struggle is not the curse, it is the blessing. Because the moment you embrace it, the moment you step into the storm willingly, you become unstoppable. Your mind is your battlefield, your doubts, your fears, your demons. They are waiting for you to fall. They feed on your hesitation. But if you choose to fight, if you choose to rise, if you choose to become something greater, the chains will shatter, the prison will crumble, and you will be reborn. The pain will come, the struggle will test you, but you will endure, you will conquer, you will rise. The only question is, will you choose to? And when the world turns its back on you, laughs at your dreams and scoffs at your ambitions, will you crumble, or will you stand taller? The choice has always been yours. Weakness is a decision. Strength is earned. The fire that burns within you must be fed. Starve it and you will wither. Fuel it and you will rise beyond your limits. They will tell you it's impossible. They will say you don't have what it takes. But what do they know of the battles you fought in silence? What do they know of the nights you spent rebuilding yourself, of the scars you carry not as wounds, but as proof of survival? You are not what they say you are. You are what you decide to become. Greatness is not given, it is taken. Taken by those who refuse to kneel before mediocrity, by those who demand more from themselves when no one is watching. The road ahead is paved with pain, but beyond that pain lies a version of you that is unstoppable, unbreakable, and undeniable. So rise. Not because someone told you to, not because the world expects it, but because the fire inside you refuses to die. The only thing standing between you and your destiny is you. The time for hesitation is over. It's time to become who you were meant to be. You will lose friends on this journey. You will outgrow people. Some will resent your growth. Others will try to pull you back into the darkness you fought so hard to escape. Let them go. Not everyone is meant to walk this path with you. Some people are anchors, meant to hold you in place. Cut them loose. If they are not building you up, they are tearing you down. The world does not reward excuses. It does not wait for you to be ready. It moves forward with or without you. And if you refuse to evolve, you will be left behind. You are either growing or you are dying. Choose growth. Choose evolution. Choose to become the kind of person who does not wait for opportunity, but creates it. The battlefield is set. The war is within. The only enemy is the old version of you. Will you let it win? Or will you bury it beneath the weight of your determination? The choice is yours. And remember, this is not just about success. It's about becoming someone you can respect when you look in the mirror. The time is now. No more excuses. No more waiting. The pain will come, and the struggle will push you to your limits. But on the other side lies the life you were meant to live. So stand up, take the first step, and never look back. The fire inside you is waiting. Let it burn.